I tried. You good? I tried to flip you. I failed. Alright, so I just got done with my first tank and we found some pretty awesome stuff, but my favorite find of that dive definitely has to be all the fish I saw. I saw seriously thousands and thousands of shad. It was so beautiful, man. I even caught a couple with my bare hands, but check this out. My treasure box is slam full. Let's go ahead and check out some of my favorite finds. I can't believe I found all this cool stuff, you guys. Oh yeah, I didn't find that. That's my toothpaste. Let me go ahead and put that back in my treasure box. Look at all these fishing lures I found, and a lot of these are actually in pretty good condition still. I can definitely reuse a lot of these or hand them out to some kids so they can reuse them. I've learned so much about fishing by scuba diving because I find all these lures, and in a way, it's kind of like I'm tapping into all these fishermen's secrets. So when I find all of them, I learn their techniques, I learn what they use, and it definitely helps me become a better angler. This is actually a really cool find. This is a painted rock, and here in my hometown in Columbus, Georgia, they actually paint rocks and they hide them for kids and adults to find. And what you do is when you find one of these, you rehide it, and I don't know, it's just kind of cool. You take a picture and then you rehide it, and it's just an ongoing thing. But I found someone's painted rock underwater. But here's another one. This is just a pink rock. At one point, I'm sure it looked really nice, but the river definitely messed it up. We actually found some pretty awesome stuff on the first tank, but I have one more tank as well. That's gonna allow me to stay underneath the water for about 15 to 20 more minutes. Let's get out there and look for some more cool stuff and see what we find. found all this jewelry. That's crazy. That's what I thought too. I was like, why is all this jewelry here? And someone must have just threw it in because they're mad at somebody, you know? Holy crap, we're rich. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it. All right, so my second air tank just died on me, but we found some incredible stuff. My favorite find of the day definitely has to be all this jewelry. Check this out. I don't know like how expensive all this jewelry is, but I came across it at the very end of my dive, and I have no idea why all this is in the river. My best guess of why all this is in the river is maybe a boyfriend got mad at his girlfriend and threw it all in. I don't know what that is, but I put it on my wrist because it looked cool. But I got a lot of rings, some bracelets, but this is really cool, man. I don't know how valuable any of this stuff is. Some of it's rusty, like this one right here is not in the best condition. This little bracelet's not in the best condition either, but found some pearls and some diamonds around the pearls. I'm not too sure what type of jewelry this is right here, but I also found this pretty flower. I've never found this much jewelry in my entire life, and it was all in one spot, so the person must have just threw everything out, but this is crazy. I'm really excited to see if this is worth anything. I don't think that's really worth all too much, but I got a nice watermelon ring. Got some awesome bracelets, a little star bracelet right there. I also have another ring over here. But man, what a great